Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that I haven't posted a video for a long while, but I, like always, have a reason for that. I was busy with my exams and I have a lot of other stuff to go through. And then after my exams finished, I started procrastinating. So yes. But anyway, my exams did not stop me from buying a million books. So I bought a lot of books and I have a huge book haul. So I'm going to divide it in two parts, and this is the first part of my book haul. So the first set of books of my book haul is this series. This is the Heroes of Olympus series by Rick Riordan, and it's kind of a continuation to the Percy Jackson series. And I can't wait to read this series because I recently completed the Percy Jackson series and I absolutely freaking loved it. So can't wait for this. So the next set of books that I bought was the Lunar Chronicle series. I have already shown Cinder in my previous book haul, but when I read Cinder, I just could not stop. This series is addictive. So I had to buy the rest of them as well, as soon as possible. And I know I made a mistake. I bought the hardcover for Scarlet and the paperback for the rest of them. But knowing me, I'll probably buy the hardcovers for the rest of them and the paperback for Scarlet as well. So wait up for that. So that was all about the series, but I also bought a lot of standalones. So the first one of them is The Unexpected Everything, which is by Morgan Matson. I love Morgan Matson because her books are usually very summery and road trippy, and I absolutely love that genre. So I'm really excited for this one. Another book I bought was Everything I Never Told You by Celeste Ng. And while I know something or the other about the book I'm buying, I didn't know anything about this, but I have heard a lot about it on Goodreads and other booktube channels, so I thought I'd try it, and I hope it's good. Another book I bought was The Shadow of the Wind by Carlos Ruiz Zafón. I hope that's the right pronunciation. And I've already read this book, and it's really, really good. And I can't wait to talk about it in another video. Another fact about this book is that I thought it was a standalone, but it turns out it's a series, and this is the first book in the series. And usually when I find out that a book is not a book that I've read is not a standalone and a series, I'm not really happy about that, but I'm still not sure what I feel about this, but I am excited because I'm excited for the next book because this is a really, really amazing world and I would love to go into it again. Another book I bought was Ajax Penumbra 1969 by Robin Sloan, and this is a prequel to Mr. Penumbra's 24-hour bookstore by Robin Sloan, and this is kind of similar to The Shadow of the Wind because this book is about books, and both the world of both books is quite similar, and so I'm really excited to read this one as well. Another book I bought was B by Sarah Kay, and this is not really a book, it's just a poem in the form of a book, but it's worth 100 books because this poem is absolutely magical and I would recommend this, and I've already read it obviously, and I really, really love this book. I'm so glad that I bought it. Another book I bought was Tonight the Streets Are Ours by Leila Sages, and I have to confess that I bought this book just because of its cover. I loved the cover, so I just bought it. And I have read it and I will talk about it in another video. So another book I bought will tell you a lot about me. Okay, I'm just gonna show it to you. It's Hot Dudes Reading by an Instagram account by the same name. And this is basically a collection of pictures of hot dudes reading across the subways of New York. And I have read half of it, and obviously I love it. And if you want to know the reason why I bought this book, you should follow their Instagram account. I will put the link in the description below so you can check it out. So the last two books in this book haul are Chasers After Light and All the Words Are Yours by Tyler North Gregson. And these are again the books that I've bought based on the Instagram account of Tyler North Gregson, and he is an amazing writer and he writes haikus and short poetry, and I was sure that I would like these books if I bought them, and I actually did. I read them and I really loved them, and I'm just so glad that I bought these books because they are precious. So that was all for this video and I hope you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and I will see you next week. Bye!